Mana Moana is a multimedia water screen. A number of artists have collaborated to make 5 distinct works. The way in which it's collaborative has surprised and excited me because I have done lots of variations on collaboration, and how it's panned out is we've kind of been putting people together and then facilitating those things.
It's projects like this that kind of, bring everyone together, and it's like, oh, kia ora, I've seen you more on Facebook than anything, or YouTube, and we actually meet face to face and collaborate.
We kind of realised, okay, so we're going to need really awesome soundscape. We asked Warren if he would be interested in the project, and everyone was pretty excited about working with him.
I came on primarily as a composer, but that also encompassed sound engineering, like flying up to Gisborne and recording Tina, Dale and Michelle, such a privilege. The way I considered the music was that supporting kind of role.
You are here, abundant, knowing, ancient and constantly reborn. Every answer you ever needed was in me, is in me.
What I love most about this is the kaupapa. There's nothing sort of capitalist about it. It's, it's deep, meaningful kind of stuff, which is so refreshing.
Seeping through all layers where my waters still beat, waiting for you. Trust in the ancient that flows in you.
I've had these amazing projects sort of fall into my lap around music from the natural world, sound from the natural world. And Mana Moana is a big part of that. It's how can we meaningfully connect back to the natural world through our art.
Lashing ancient markers of time. Can we return to rhythm?
We need reminders, we need constant reminders around maramataka, around the natural seasons, the cycles, of our ancestors, of all of our ancestors. The ancient knowledge, which is so relevant now with everything that's going on globally. So it's a well-being thing. It's it's a cultural kind of well-being, like all of us collectively, and I love that kaupapa.
If ever the world needed to come full circle, it is now. Matariki. Time to end a cycle. Recall other ways of seeing the same night sky. Recall other ways of being human and being alive.
For me as well, not growing up Māori, just in the last few years, learning about matariki, learning that it's a time to celebrate the ones who have passed, and maybe events that have happened, you sort of let them go and then move on as well. That's huge.
Let us find ears so that we may hear, eyes so that we may see, hearts so that we can translate. The thudding rhythm of the co-created, that which breathes us, feeds us, the substance under our feet, the air in our lungs, the fresh water in our veins, the stardust in our bones.
We are all from the stars. So it's also a mihi to those ancestors up in the sky, whāngai atu ngā whetū, ngā atua, ngā tūpuna. It's about us giving back as well, which is what events like Mana Moana do, A lot of people have these good spirits, have these good hearts that know what needs to happen. The optimist in me is going, actually, these are the kinds of things that can really change en masse.
everyone needs to do something. A number of us have young children and, you know, they've got futures that we're all invested in. So how can we help them?